In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove comment Notion tutorial. If you've ever left a note you no longer need, or a discussion thread has outlived its purpose, removing a comment in Notion is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through what to look for, how to confirm the action, and a few helpful pointers so you don't accidentally lose important context. Start by locating the comment you want to remove. This could be a single remark or part of a longer thread attached to a block or a page. Move your mouse over that comment. As you hover, you'll see a small toolbar appear in or near the comment. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More menu. This icon might appear in the top corner of the individual comment or at the top of the thread, depending on where your cursor is. Clicking those three dots opens the comment's options. Inside that menu, select Delete. This option removes the comment from the conversation. Keep in mind that deleting is different from resolving. Resolving hides a thread while preserving its history, but delete removes the selected comment entirely. If you're working within a thread, double check whether you're deleting just one message or an entire thread if that option is presented, because once it's gone, you typically can't retrieve it. After choosing delete, Notion may ask you to confirm. If a confirmation prompt appears, click delete again to finalize it. This extra step is there to prevent mistakes, especially in busy workspaces. Once confirmed, the comment disappears and the thread updates immediately. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. You can usually only delete comments you authored. If you don't see the delete option, your permissions might be limited, and you may need to resolve the thread instead or ask someone with the appropriate access to handle the deletion. Before you remove a comment, consider whether it contains decisions or context your team might need later. If that information is still valuable, you might want to summarize it in the main page content before you delete the comment so nothing important is lost. And that's all there is to it. Hover over the comment, open the three-dot menu, click delete, and confirm if prompted. With these simple actions, you can keep your Notion pages tidy and focused on what matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage comments in your workspace.